Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to use the SUMIF function in Microsoft Excel. So in this example, I have a store that sells products of bats, shoes, and gloves. We sell baseball equipment. And I need to figure out how much we've sold of each product, but as you can see in the products, it's a little messy. And so how we can find this quickly for each product is we use the SUMIF function. And we can use the SUMIF function in formula, or we can use it in a tab up here. So we'll go through both. So we can just go through equals SUMIF, parentheses, and then we're going to go for the entire A column, and then comma, quotes, and let's look for bats. So we'll type in bats, quotes, comma, we want to find the quantity, B, parentheses. So we can see that we've sold 83 bats. So let's find the revenue using the insert function within Excel. So we just come up here, we go to formulas, insert function, and then you find your function here, and we're finding the SUMIF. And so we'll do the same thing here. We'll type in our range. We'll type in the criteria. So the criteria is we need it to equal bats. And so for this, we need to find the revenue. So we're going to go C. And so we can see that our revenue by using the insert function is 9,095. Our bats is 83. And so that's how you can use the SUMIF function to find data like this extremely quickly. I can go through all these and find all of them the exact same way. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll talk to you guys next time.